this is Cain from Atom. It's exclusively available on Snapdeal. It's a 2-in-1 which is made with Intel and Windows 8.1 ecosystem. Now, Notioning is a design firm, and we have spent a lot of time in actually detailing out the product. So one of the first detail which goes onto the device is the cover. So it's made from a velvet finish, a velvet matte black finish. So you are going to use this particular device on tables in different dirt-prone environment as well. So it will not look dirty, at least for a while, and it really feels very good. So you must touch it to actually understand that. Now this keyboard is a magnetic keyboard, so it really closes very well. Now this keyboard has two orientations. It can be folded like this as well, or if you want, you can fold it like this. We generally prefer folding like this. And since this is a 2-in-1, you can detach the keyboard and the display. Now, again talking about the keyboard, this keyboard has a very different layout. Now, this layout is available outside with other partners as well, but we have spent a lot of detail in how the keys should be placed. So we have observed users how they are actually using the space bar. You can see the space bar actually is going beyond the capital letter M on the device. We have spent a lot of time on how to actually get the keyboard correct, because it should not feel cramped as well. You should be able to just switch from your laptop on this device in one day, and you don't have to spend a lot of time just remembering where the keys are. Now it also has a trackpad and left click and right click, because a lot of users it is not very obvious. A lot of users, if you do a long press on Windows, it will actually act like a second. It will act like a right click as well. Now we are going to boot the device up. Now this is Windows 8.1. This is a new version of 8.1 from Windows. This comes with Bing as an operating system, Bing as a search in the device. Now this boots really fast. It took really around 5 to 6 seconds. Now this is the Metro UI, and that's where the touch panel actually comes in. And these are the normal applications which are installed on the device. This also comes with Office 365 and Outlook. So if you go ahead and actually, you can open applications like OneNote which are there. Of course, you have to register and add your link your account. Let's forget that for a while. Now going back on the device for the hardware. Now this device comes with a USB 3.0. Now that port not only provides a faster data rate, faster data transfer, it actually provides power to external accessories as well. So now you can run your hard drives without any issue, your portable hard drives. This has a DC charger, and this DC charger is used for charging device on a fast mode. Then there's a micro USB charger which is used for data transfer as well, and this can also be used as a secondary charger port. Now, for example, if you forget carrying the charger which is shipped with this device, you can use a normal mobile phone charger to charge the device as well. Now there's an SD card slot. We can extend it to 32 GB. You have a SDMI slot. Now this is a mini SDMI slot, and what it does is actually extends your display instead of just mirroring it. Now what extension does is, suppose you go to your office and there are applications which you want to actually view on the bigger display, on a bigger screen. So, or a better example, if you want to show someone a presentation and you want the presentation mode to be there, where you can look at your notes and show presentation on the projector. So this port can be used in that particular fashion. So it can extend that. You can use this device as a keyboard, or you can use the keyboard of this device and use the other bigger display instead of this display. Now this is your headphone jack, your power button, and 2 volume buttons. Now this also has a hidden inbuilt 3G ultra stick slot. Now if there's a small notch here, if you open this particular side, you can just slide in your 3G slot. So the idea is that suppose if you want to convert this device into a 3G device, you can buy a normal SIM, and you can buy an external dongle as well. But sometimes there are issues. Sometimes your connection will fail, and while doing some important work, your connectivity is lost. So we have built an internal ultra stick slot. So you can just slide the ultra stick slot with the SD card and your SIM card, and it will just work without any issues. So yeah, it comes with quad-core B-Trail 3735 model. This is a very efficient model designed by Intel. This is based on 22 nanometer architecture. This is also the first 2-in-1s in the market with the 3D transistors. Now that 3D transistor, they're called tri-gate transistors. They are really power efficient, and you can check really cool videos of how Intel actually come up with this B-Trail architecture. Now this has 2 GB RAM. This has 32 GB inbuilt storage memory. Now that storage memory is in Windows. The storage also used for cache files, and those cache are so they ensure your application is fast in terms of data access, in terms of databases as well. Now this device is using flash storage, so your data access will be really fast. So that cache file can actually be stored on the device and used as a RAM, and that is why the device actually takes a lot of less time to actually boot up. So all your normal applications are just there. Now you can think of this device as a Windows tablet which has only 100,000 applications, but we like to think of it like a device which has 700,000 PC class applications. So right from Photoshop to Tally to application which you miss on the Android devices or iOS devices will just be there. And of course you can program applications for any other operating system which you can't do on other devices.
Stay tuned to Gizbot. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you can follow Gizbot on Twitter, Facebook and G+ as well. Thanks for watching, and do stay tuned.